Design patterns are time-tested solutions to common software design problems. They help you structure code for flexibility, scalability, and maintainability by providing proven approaches that have worked across countless projects. Singleton ensures that only one instance exists, providing global access. Factory patterns create objects without specifying the exact class, enabling flexible object creation that can change without affecting the client code. Observer pattern uses events to notify subscribers when state changes. Strategy pattern swaps algorithms at runtime for different behaviors. Decorator pattern adds behavior dynamically to objects without modifying their classes, following the open-closed principle. Learn key patterns including Singleton, Factory, Observer, Strategy, and Decorator as your foundation. Use patterns when they genuinely improve your code, not just to use patterns for their own sake.